Grab leche. Hey y'all. Just grab a delicious one. Hey y'all. So today is Saturday, and my sister and I, we are at the Asian market going to grab a couple of things. My sister wants to try some Asian snacks, and we're here in Central Florida. If you guys do not know, I live in Central Florida. So we're just going to, grab a couple of things, and I'll show you guys what we got.
Oh, we're in tea area.
Which one you want?
Candy.
You want the hard one or the?
This is like $3. No, that's not it. That's like powder, like you put in tea.
Okay. They don't have.
You should just get your mom this.
Get her what? What is that? Oh my gosh, she don't want that. Yeah, grab it. I like the Asian market in Georgia. Remember eating those when we was younger? No, they are so good. You wanna try it? It has fruits inside of it. It's good.
I remember seeing them, yes.
I used to eat it. It's very good.
Is it Jello? I hate Jello.
Yes, like Jello.
Maybe that's all right. I don't know. Vitamin milk? Oh. Vitamin.
Are we trying any drinks in
They
here?
have like tea in a can. Green tea in a can.
I don't want no green tea.
I don't like green tea.
I don't like green tea. What's that?
I wish I could tell you. This is a herbal beverage.
Okay.
Look how big it is.
I know. They are big.
This
The green ones are big too.
make me make durians. Oh, the durians.
That thing is
They're
big.
big, and I heard they're like, oh, this is a jackfruit. Whole. I heard like they stink.
yeah.
I think.
But they have fresh shrimp back in the other section. Mhm.
This is.
What's here? Oh, look what I found. What is that?
I know it's my finger.
What is
Oh,
that?
it's pickled green mustard. Wait, green. Pickled mustard green? What the hell? It looked like pepper. Oh.
Oh, we're gonna try this.
What?
We're gonna try this.
Why?
You don't want to try preserved?
You ever had duck egg?
No.
I mean, I'll try it if you try it.
You try it if I try it. I'm good.
I'll try toasting it.
Oh, look at this. Oh, those are for fall. What's that? I'm here with my sister. She's not here yet, but I'm at my mom's house, and we are going to be trying different Asian snacks that we got here in Central Florida at the Asian market. I'm going to show you guys what we have in case you guys are interested in trying. Which one you gonna try first?
Let's get this one out the way.
Okay, let's show.
I don't like seaweed.
Don't like seaweed? Okay, so we trying this first. It's like a seaweed type of mix with sriracha chili sauce. Let's get it open. Their bag is so thick. Okay, you try it.
It's vacuum sealed. There's red.
Oh, okay. That was easy.
Ooh.
Let me smell it.
I think so.
Huh?
Wow.
Yeah, you should. No, you can stay over there. Oh. Oh, oh.
Girl.
I'll take that one.
Unless your mom
Hey,
sees
here you
it.
go, Isaac. Try it.
Ew.
This is how it
You
looks.
can share a piece?
It's seaweed with sriracha chili.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ready?
I'm about to. You take the smallest piece in there. Okay, go ahead. Take. There you go.
Ready?
Let's try it.
No.
Just like sushi.
This is a sushi that I don't like. Just like that sushi that we tried.
It's
It was-
alright.
He said it's alright. Okay.
I like the texture though,
Yeah.
but I don't like the flavor. I know it was gonna taste fishy. I'm
That
not,
was something I look for.
I'm not finishing it. Who's behind me? Can you want to try it?
Can you throw that away, please?
Here. Try it.
You don't have to. Oh my god.
Throw it away. Throw it away. What?
Okay. You said ill. Alright, the next thing we are going to be trying is this hot and spicy shrimp flavored chip. This is how it looks.
Another chip.
Maybe we should have just said that one last.
Or maybe you're.
No, not this. Okay.
You want to get water to cleanse it? You need cleanser.
Is there an opener? Like, can't just stop.
You ever try ripping it?
Their bag is like thick. Okay, maybe you could use your teeth then. Rip into it. That one looked like it might be good. Alright, so this is what it looks like. Where's my camera? Right here. Ready? You gonna try it?
Mommy, you want to try it?
Yeah. KJ, over there on the other
I
side.
didn't even grab it. I didn't grab one.
KJ, over there.
Oh, you already tried it before everybody else did.
This is actually good. It's going to rain,
Hold on.
so it's like getting dark. This is good. It's spicy. It's good. You like it? I think this one is a good one.
I like this.
You want more?
No, I'm good.
This is good.
No, I have water in my bag. Just got that.
Okay.
Whatever.
This one is really good.
That is one.
The light just disappeared.
Where's that light?
Oh, it's gonna rain. KJ, turn that light on, please. You know he's gonna come to me.
Oh, Isaac, I see what you mean.
It's good though. I think can you grab my soup, please? It's on the table.
Hey!
I like it.
I like it too, but I feel like you have to watch out how you eat it.
What is that?
Thank you. Chip, it's spicy.
Try it. Come here.
What?
KJ, grab it.
Do I always have to try new things?
Yeah, me and your mom were just eating like a whole bunch.
What does it taste like though?
It's spicy chips.
So it just tastes like regular chips and
Christy, come on, not right now. Here. This is good. Okay, I can stop eating this one. It's good.
Oh god, that's perfect.
Oh, we're tipping that one. That one's good. What you want to try next? So we're gonna have 2 chips. What is this? Hello Panda.
Oh, that's spicy.
We should have bought more, but
Whatever. Yeah, we should have more of that.
I told you.
It's a true spicy for real. Some stuff isn't as spicy and it's not. KJ, chill.
It's not even that hot.
Okay.
Okay, go drink water.
Oh, what is this? So that's what that looked like. Here.
Yeah. You even like
You kind of tall.
Carrie said, Dad, Dad.
This is good. Try it, Isaac.
Walk, walk, walk. He's walking.
ooh, this is so cute.
It's good. This is a good one.
She pops out. Ow!
Trust me, you don't want to get more. It's good. You might want to grab more. It's good. You might want to grab more. It's good.
Why?
You don't like it?
It's sweet.
It's good.
Yeah, eat that one, KJ. It's good.
I'm pretty sure they have a snack like that over here.
Just like something.
That one is actually good. It's very
Tastes
good.
vinegar.
Yeah.
It does.
Oh my God, grab that. Grab it. Let him take this one. Let him have one.
That's the last 3 spoons. That's clean.
This one's good. Here,
that's
try this one. I like it. I heard you.
That one was good, but the brown one is nasty.
Okay. So we're going to try this next Cloud 9 Classic. Get that from him, please.
You're too crazy with this. Give me. Give me.
Or put him sit.
No, you know.
This is like a chocolate bar.
Oh no.
You said we should.
Oh no, not again.
No, because we're divided. But this is
I
whatever.
thought you was
I
gonna
just
leave it off for everybody. Why don't you do it over here so crumbs don't fall?
She
Here,
thought.
KJ.
Who is this?
Here, come here. Come here.
What?
You want any specific?
Who else? I already gave it to Isaac. I mean,
Alright.
isn't it?
You sure this is an Asian snack?
Where did we get it from? It was
They don't say nothing about Asian on it.
okay.
It's all in English.
Okay.
This
I mean, anything.
this is like chocolate bar
Oh God.
and
It's good.
milk.
Alright, so this is the next thing we're going to be trying. It's like a very soft bread. Do I want to try this?
Oh my God.
Here. This is what it looked like.
I
Yes.
there was something
My
inside.
background is loud because I'm at my mom's house. I'm waiting for you so I can try it. Here, Isaac.
That's not awesome.
You ready? Oh Lord, I'm scared.
These are big things.
Let me taste the inside. Taste the inside? I didn't even taste the inside yet. I'm scared. How's it? He said, No? You can't throw it away?
Yeah.
I don't think I can put it down either.
Okay, so I'm not even gonna continue with mine.
No.
Only taste the bread.
Taste it. That's not fair. You might like it because you're weird, though. But the bread.
They can't eat it. They want to throw it away. Try it. They both want to throw it away. Go put it in the garbage.
I thought the bread, it was just straight bread. It was nice. It was gonna be good. It's sweet.
Me to the bread was like, alright, the bread. Next thing I got to the middle part.
Let's do the next one. You guys are funny. So you telling me you disgusted? Let's try this one.
Really? I'm really sad. I didn't know there was stuff like.
You know stuff
No. You knew?
in it? Yeah, I told you. I seen it yesterday.
I have not seen it.
Yeah,
Maybe yes.
sometimes.
Yeah.
It's spicy. It's spicy.
Oh, can I come over and pick it?
I spit it out.
I like beans, but
It's
I like
right
them
there.
cooked.
It is
And
cooked.
not, okay, I don't like them
Sweet.
In bread?
Well, yeah.
Okay, so I'm trying.
I think I
What
dropped
I'm
some.
trying? Pineapple.
Ew, I hate pineapple.
Strawberry.
What am I
Strawberry.
I
trying?
got mango.
You trying leche? No, it's leche. Yeah.
I can't even open it.
Need help? I can open it.
I'm making a mess.
It's good.
What the hell?
You have to then open it?
No, because it's juicy, and you know how mommy is. That's what we need for her to get a heart attack.
Oh my god.
Oh, this is Jello.
Oh,
Yeah, I like it.
I don't like Jello.
You want
That
to
with coconut?
Mm-mm. It's this.
Mm-mm.
You like it? You don't like Jello?
I hate Jello.
I'm not a fan of Jello either,
Yeah.
but it's good.
No, you want mango?
It's like the flavor inside it.
I feel I'd be better about the stuff inside of it.
Okay.
That's the real fruit.
I was gonna say if I did.
It's real fruit with Jello encasing.
Well, we're gonna try this one.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Oh, I said take the ice cream out.
Or the spoon to get rinsed out too. Okay, so we're going to be trying this next. It's a pudding.
Give us
A flavored pudding.
Yeah.
We have to try a different one than we tried with the
Okay.
Jello shot. KJ, be careful, please.
Ooh, they have. Okay. I had mango, so I'm gonna try mango.
Which one you want to try?
I'm gonna try this. Ooh, honeydew? Yeah, I'm trying that.
I want to try that.
You don't even know what's honeydew.
The mango
Gotcha.
ain't good.
Ain't good. Which one you want to try, KJ? You want strawberry? You want to try this again? No, she had that already. You want coconut?
Yeah.
I'm gonna try strawberry.
Ooh, did you see the coconut?
Mm-hmm.
I feel what flavor other than strawberry?
You have
Um,
pineapple, leche, or mango.
Mango.
Mango. I didn't say mango.
Okay. Chrissy here.
Honeydew. Oh, thank you, sorry.
So I have pineapple, so I'm not trying that. Okay, I'll give you the spoon to try it. Hold on.
What is this?
It's a pudding.
Oh my gosh, I hope you don't get a piece of this.
If he does, he gonna be crying. It's hard to open. This stuff is like vacuum shut.
I mean, so it could be safe for the trip.
I just like regular pudding, but I'm gonna try this.
Yeah, safe for the trip,
Oh.
right?
Oh my god.
Yeah,
Oh my
too.
god. Guess I opened
That's
it.
true.
Did you guys open yours?
No.
Hard to open.
Look, he can open his.
He got little hands. They don't count.
Okay, I got it somewhat.
Oh, my hand's wet.
Okay, I got it.
Mine's not wet.
It's hard to open.
It
know?
is.
You guys need
Okay.
help?
I know them Asian got strong grip over there.
I got
No,
it.
for real. We're supposed to try it out together. Oh my god.
Hold up. Okay, let's try it.
You're talking about not liking Jello.
Hold up. I need a
You're not
spoon.
gonna like this either.
I need a spoon.
Is this? Oh my gosh.
I got it.
Heck it.
No, I remind me of something.
It might.
Oh, I did not think it was gonna go like this.
Yeah, the consistency.
Yeah.
Me neither. It's Jello consistency. I don't like
Yeah.
Jello.
It's not bad. It's just
You know the white part is out of a coconut?
Mm-hmm.
That's what it feels like.
No, it
With the
doesn't.
mango
Oh my
flavor.
god. I
Pick it
feel
up.
so.
Pick it
I
up.
actually like the texture.
Okay.
Is this? I hate it.
Well, it's
That's
softer.
better.
My
Oh
fault.
no.
Put it in there, huh?
I like that.
Yeah.
Want to try honeydew?
That's the worst one.
Ew.
Well, there's mango over there if you want to try it.
Let's try the drinks.
You want to try it?
Oh, she didn't try this one. Don't give him that. Okay, let's try. What is this? Mango with real fruits. This is what it looks like.
You like it, Gator?
Go put it in the garbage, please. Here, put this in the garbage too. Oh, get that water. Get that water. Who waters that?
Mom.
Please get it. Move it.
I feel like that's a lot of waste.
Oh, yeah, we're just trying it.
Oh, give it to the kids to try. You made him throw it away already?
Yeah. Here, try this. Let me pour this in. Oh,
Wait, leave it. Don't throw it away.
that's the mango juice.
Okay.
Mm.
You're gonna make a mess.
It tastes like real mango for real.
I just wish it was cold. Oh, it's good.
You got mango juice?
There's mango pieces in it.
You gonna like this one. It tastes good. It has real mango. You mix it in there. How you gonna taste it?
Oh, that's a jello. I ain't going nowhere.
That one is good.
What is the problem, Christy?
I was just like, yeah, you ain't wrong.
Yeah.
She took us back so fast.
What? What do you mean?
This is good.
I didn't try it.
You didn't try it? Well, you ain't gonna eat it. I mean, you're not gonna drink it.
I just like they didn't mix it with nothing else, just mango.
You don't have no
Pure
spike with.
mango.
Come on. I know it tastes
No,
very good.
no.
I'll buy it out again.
Hey, you can buy me that.
What if you bite it and then you just rip it off?
All right, so the next one is this. I don't know how to open it. Here, you do the honors since.
Oh my gosh, I seen this.
Can you, Kendra, can you grab me a bag, please?
I bet you're excited to do that.
Yeah, I'm gonna sweep that first before the baby get one of these ones.
What is it? Can you grab me a bag, please?
See that
A
mess
Walmart bag?
behind you?
Yeah, I have to clean it. At the top.
I think you're supposed to take it out somehow.
Yeah.
No.
No, it stays like that.
Yeah.
It's not gonna go through.
Okay, so let's try
I
it.
wanted to try the blue one, but I couldn't find one.
Ooh.
We got a basic go-to flavor because can never be sure.
Here.
It's not like soda.
It is soda.
Wait,
I don't
can I
drink
have
soda,
some
but if it's new,
3,
I'll try it.
2,
What?
1.
Well, remember, I don't drink soda, but if it's new flavors, I have to try it.
That's good.
If it was cold,
Yeah, no,
You wanna try it?
the flavor's not that strong.
What is it?
yeah.
It's a pop.
And soda.
Oh, that is cool.
It's good.
Another fun.
It's not too sweet, but it's good.
Now I want to break it and get that.
What do you-
out of it. Yeah.
Oh, I didn't watch that.
Oh, we have to do this little thing right here. The mango drink is actually good.
Oh, try that.
Let's try this.
Oh, I forgot about this.
Oh.
It's freaking Jello. I don't even know why I suggested it.
Honestly, Christy doesn't need
Is there more?
It's, oh,
What's my spoon?
I squeezed some on you.
Kendra, is that your spoon?
Christy doesn't need her phone.
This is like a little jello stick.
That's
Yeah, it's
it.
mine. You can use it.
More
I just
phones.
remember they love Jello over there.
Yeah.
Bruh, not only that.
Wait.
Everything's either red bean or green tea.
Mommy.
Oh my gosh.
Ah.
Look how it fell.
Kyrie.
You like it? Here, Isaac.
Ew.
Can I try?
Here.
I'm trying, what is this? Green apple? I don't know what flavor this is.
Is it
Try the
nasty?
green one.
No, it's good.
What it tastes like? Strawberry?
Go ahead, put it in your mouth. Let me get this one.
I hate Jello.
No, you don't hate jello.
Oh.
I appreciate it.
Kyrie, you want some?
He can get one. You like it?
I didn't even taste
Check out more, right? You got one?
What is that?
You know what it tastes like? It kind of tastes like what mascot tea.
What?
Oh,
Just like what? Like what?
Go ahead.
No, go ahead and say
She
it.
said it tastes like oil.
She said, "Oh, my scotch tea."
Let's try this.
Yeah, that's nasty.
You tried? Oh, I thought you was talking about this one. Like, you tried it
What is
before?
ew? You gonna eat that?
Yeah.
What's that thingy called? That one animal? What's it called? It looks just like it.
Urchin?
Yes.
No, what's Christy?
Hell no.
Tomorrow.
Isaac, come try one. You want to try one, Kinsel?
What's the instructions?
Huh? Kinsel, stop making noise.
Why should we do instructions?
You just pop it open, Christy. Look, that's it.
How am I supposed to know?
Let's see, separate the skin.
The hell?
Wait a minute.
Wait, what? Excuse me, JJ.
It's good. It's like kidnap.
That's what I was about to say.
That look like
Is that Kenneth?
Mm-hmm.
that look like a coconut ball to me.
Oh. Oh, okay.
You want to try it?
Mm-hmm.
It's like kidnap.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Get that?
Talking about the orange thingy, right? You doing
Just
something?
drink.
Yeah, you just split it in half.
Well,
You doing the whole peeling for real.
I don't know how to split it in half.
Kinsey, come get your
Yeah, I didn't
soda.
spill it in half either. Look.
That's it. That's it.
Watch this, Kinsey.
This is good.
Oh my gosh.
Get that from him.
Either.
And that cut before you choke on it. It's good.
First try.
It's just like a.
First try.
It's just like. It has the texture of Kenneth,
Kinsey.
Uh-huh.
but like the flavor of
What's in
like
his hand?
coconut. The cookie. I even took the cookie from him.
Get the...
You gonna eat it?
No,
No, he
don't let him
can't.
eat
He don't
it.
have molars.
Wait.
Yeah, get it out of his hand.
What?
No more. It's up.
Oh, wait, what?
Oh, you eating another one? You like it like it. I'm not a big fan.
What?
No,
No, I'm not a big fan. Look. I didn't even.
it's good.
Yeah.
What's that?
I'm just all hyped to try.
Oh, wait, how is it gonna go
Okay.
for him? Why you hit me?
I did not hit you.
Let me try
We'll
one
try the
more
right first.
time.
Just leave water bottle inside the house. Go get some.
One more time.
No. Stop it. Lucian is here.
The rats. The rats. Mushi.
Okay, so the next thing we're gonna be trying is mochi. This
God.
is here. This is not my ice cream, okay? Okay, we're trying vanilla, keeping it safe. You guys want to try something?
Yeah.
Okay, later. Bye.
Close the door.
You guys want to try
Take that
Jello?
and go.
Which one? Oh, try that one. Take that one. Again. Try it.
I'm good. This is good.
Why?
It's spicy, guys.
Yeah, warning. Ready? Let's open that. What's the baby?
I thought it's spicy.
Yeah.
How you
It's
take it
good.
out
Let me try
without
this.
tearing it? Should we take a spoon and spoon it?
Hold on. I want to try that. I want to try that.
Too bad.
You should have frozen it.
I did. Put
Look,
it in the
just
freezer.
pop it at the bottom.
This is like some black bacon.
It's ice. Ice it really? It's
This
a
is
whole
spicy,
thing.
Chrissy?
No.
I mean,
It's
it's supposed
sweet.
to be.
It look like
No, I'm next.
It tastes like not ice cream inside a marshmallow.
I want one.
That's not what y'all supposed to be trying.
Mochi ice cream. Oh.
I'm gonna try it.
I might even get to try one.
Try one. I don't know why you give it to them.
Rip it a piece,
first.
rip it a piece.
Y'all
Oh,
share.
yo, I didn't even know this was cold. Wait.
Rip it a piece, rip it a piece.
Oh,
Mm.
I
it's
use
good.
Oh, that bro. Selfish.
Can I try it, mommy?
Dang. Chrissy just whipped me a back piece.
How could I rip this? It's already
Put
ripped.
this down.
Here.
Yeah.
Oh my God, it's cool.
It's
Okay.
like,
Pick it
it's
up.
like
That's
Faline
cold.
mixed with like cold.
Mhm.
It's like Faline.
That's
And
good.
then
Where you guys going? I have one for y'all to try.
You can do it after the video.
What's the other ice cream?
Right there. And we have right there.
The vanilla was good.
the soda.
I can check Jay's when you leave.
Yes. You've seen everything.
Check
Pick
Jay's
up the
when you
top.
leave.
No.
Oh,
I can.
oh yeah, y'all can leave. I'm about to be eating good.
What is that? You see?
Just pop the bottom.
What else you trying?
This is mango. We should got the beans one.
The
red
bean
beans?
ones?
Yeah.
We trying this right here.
For them.
Oh, this is mango.
I'm good.
Try
This
it.
guy.
Try
It's
bite.
good. Yes, sir. Oh yeah.
Yeah, I've seen that before on YouTube.
What is this all on the floor?
Nothing.
What is that?
Mango.
Nothing. None of your business.
What's that?
Ow. Why is he?
Everything.
Yeah.
That's popcorn.
Mm.
I dropped some popcorn.
This is good.
You look
The
like
ice cream's
popcorn.
good.
Huh?
You look like popcorn.
Split it in half with your thumb.
You said it looked like popcorn?
I like the ice cream part.
Cause it is.
I say you look like popcorn.
It's powdery.
It's good.
Hey, let me try one.
Split it in half.
Sleepy.
Okay, which one?
I don't
Split in
like
half
the
with your
casing,
thumb.
but I do like the ice cream.
Me neither. The marshmallow.
I wish I had Richmond fingers.
Tastes like marshmallow.
No, this skin is not gonna do damage.
It's like,
You gotta split it.
This is good.
And my stomach.
Oh, look at that.
That's gum.
That's why it's like that.
The ice cream is actually good.
Cellular gum.
We can pick it up.
Is that it?
I think we tried everything.
Yep. Then you go eat some real food.
You didn't take the ice cream? Did you eat the fruit?
Yeah. Really good.
Alright. That was us trying some Asian snacks.
I'm about to slide to Winter Haven.
If you guys want to try,
I get my car.
I won't be able to list everything on there because I don't have a list of things.
Your car
But
ready?
that was us trying some Asian snacks. It was delicious. Some was better than others. But if you guys are interested, go ahead and try them out.
It's not that good.
But yeah, so I'll talk to you guys later.